Hey friends, if you wish to boost the CPU speed on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide it with proof. So search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Task Manager. Now expand this and go to the second tab, which is the Performance tab. This shows the CPU utilization, the CPU speed and all of that. Now I'm not using a lot of CPU, that's why it will be low. But to increase it, press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command power cfg.cpl. I'll spell it for you. Power cfg.cpl. Hit enter. This will open the power options window. Now click on change plan settings in the right pane and now click on change advanced power settings. After clicking on change advanced power settings, if you have any plan other than balance like high performance or whatever, then shift it to that one. But it's not needed actually because this has a different process. So expand power processor power management, expand minimum power state, change it to 0%. And for plugged in also it should be 0%. And the maximum power state expanded, it should be 100%. It's already 100% in my case, but if not, you can change it to 100%. Click on apply, click on OK and cancel this. And you'll notice that it has suddenly started changing the system CPU utilization. It will make your CPU a little faster and it will increase the processor speed. You'll notice it when you start using the laptop or your computer for day-to-day work. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. We really need subscribers. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.